Hi guys, welcome back. In this lesson we will be installing and configuring GeoDjango. So GeoDjango is the framework that we will be using to create spatial applications in Python. So the first thing that we need to do is open our web browser. And then we search for GeoDjango installation. Okay, so make sure that we click the GeoDjango installation link. Okay, and then we select the Windows installation and then locate the OSGeo4W installer and then click on the installer link. Okay, and then under the quick start for OSGeo users, we will click on the network installer file. Okay, so once the file has been downloaded, we can open the file location. Okay, so here it is. So we can double click that. Okay, so we'll select the Express install and then click next. And then just select the first link and then click next. Okay, so now you'll be given these options of tools that you want to select. So we will only be installing GDAL. So make sure that that is checked. So we will download and install all the necessary packages. So now let's just wait for the installation to complete. Okay, so the OSGeo4W installation has completed. So now just select finish. Okay, so now the next thing that we need to do is modify the Windows environment variables so that our GeoDjango application will be able to use the GDAL libraries. So if you're still on this page, we can go back to the GeoDjango installation page. Okay, so we are going to run each and every one of these statements in our command line prompt, and then it will configure our environment variables for OSGeo4W as well as our GDAL libraries. Okay, so now let's open up our command line terminal, run it as the administrator. Okay, so now we'll just copy these statements line for line and then paste them in our command line terminal. Paste, then run it, and then the next one and so on. Okay, so now we will add these registry modifications. So there's 3 of them actually, so we're not going to take it line for line. We're going to start here and then end at the path section. So we can copy this. Okay, so if it states that the operation completed successfully, it means that the statement ran successfully. And then we can repeat that for the next statement and so on. Okay, so once that is successful, we can now restart our PC for all our changes to take effect. Okay, so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.